In the last year, we have entered a new world where machines not only understand us but can communicate with us, have meaningful and even emotional discussions, can sing to us, create music, create art, and solve complex problems. AI is evolving at breakneck speed, and we're on the cusp of even more groundbreaking innovations. We've gone from the early Siri innovation to GPT-4. AI is likely already deeply involved in medical research that could ultimately extend our lifespans and maybe even redesign human physiology. Today, we're going to explore one of the most pivotal initial technologies that has been driving this revolution, the transformer model. This will be the first of a series of videos that drill down a bit into the heart of AI and its development, but with an eye to making the very complex, we hope, a bit more understandable. Please buckle in. Feel free to rewind if you need to and subscribe for more content as we drill down to explain the technology in ways that we hope will break it down to a more human level. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has come a long way. It's no longer just a concept from sci-fi movies, it's a technology that's part of our everyday lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to smart recommendation systems on Netflix, AI is everywhere. And at the heart of these advances lies a groundbreaking model called the transformer. Introduced in 2017 by a brilliant team of researchers at Google Brain, the transformer model revolutionized the way machines process language. The team, including Ashish Vaswani, Noam Shazir, and their colleagues, unveiled their ideas in a paper titled, "Attention is All You Need," and it was a game-changer for AI. So, what makes the transformer model so special? Let's break it down. First, we have the attention mechanism. Imagine reading a book and focusing on the key details while skimming through the less important parts. The transformer does something similar, allowing it to understand and generate text more effectively. If you took the SAT, and you focused on reading comprehension, in some way, though not exactly the same for the machine, this process is about deriving the most important details in that book or text. Next, there's parallel processing. Unlike older models that handled information one step at a time, the transformer can process multiple pieces of data simultaneously. This makes it much faster and more efficient. Imagine if you could comprehend entire pages of text or entire stories at once, rather than sentence by sentence. Imagine how you could literally inhale knowledge and understanding from texts and books. Now, let's talk about its versatile architecture. The transformer consists of two main parts, the encoder and the decoder. The encoder's job is to process the input prompt. Think of it like this. If you were translating a sentence from English to French, the encoder would take the English sentence and break it down into its core components. It looks at the entire sentence and figures out the relationships between the words using the attention mechanism. During both training and when the model is actually used, inference, the encoder transforms the input data into a meaningful representation. During training, it learns from many examples, and during inference, it uses this knowledge to understand new prompts and generate accurate responses. The decoder, on the other hand, generates the output. Continuing with our translation example, the decoder takes the information from the encoder and transforms it into the French sentence. It uses layers of attention mechanisms and neural networks to construct this new sentence word by word, ensuring it makes sense in the target language. But how does the AI do this? The transformer model, and AI in general, works by statistically understanding language. It analyzes vast amounts of text data and learns the statistical relationships between words and phrases. This process is often called training. During training, the AI processes millions, sometimes billions, of sentences. It learns patterns, such as which words frequently appear together and the context in which certain phrases are used. Through this massive statistical analysis, the AI develops an understanding of grammar, syntax, and even some aspects of meaning. So, while it might seem like the AI has figured it all out by magic, it's really a result of intensive data processing and pattern recognition. The name, transformer, comes from its ability to transform input sequences, like translating a sentence from one language to another. This ability to transform and generate sequences is what makes it so powerful. Since its introduction, the transformer model has paved the way for some of the most impressive AI systems we have today. For instance, Google's latest and most advanced model, Gemini, builds on the transformer architecture to offer even more sophisticated understanding and generation of language. And let's not forget OpenAI's famous series of models, GPT-2, GPT-3, and GPT-4, and now its amazing latest version, GPT-4. These models are known for their ability to generate human-like text, answer questions, write essays, and even create stories. Then, there's Claude AI by Anthropic, which leverages the transformer model to offer enhanced conversational capabilities and human-like understanding. And now they are moving into the multimodal space, which we will get to in a future video. The original transformer model was developed by a talented team at Google Brain, but its impact has spread far and wide. Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT series, and Anthropic's Claude AI are prime examples of how the transformer architecture has been leveraged to create state-of-the-art AI systems that excel in various language tasks. The transformer model has represented a giant leap forward in AI technology. By harnessing the power of the attention mechanism and parallel processing, it has enabled AI to achieve feats once thought impossible. As AI continues to evolve, the foundations laid by the transformer model and its successors, like Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT, and Anthropic's Claude AI, just to name a few, will undoubtedly lead to even more exciting and transformative innovations in the years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of AI, biotechnology and other topics. Stay tuned for more amazing content to make complex topics more understandable.